This is what a monetized TikTok account look like. And if your TikTok does not have a creator marketplace, a creator rewards program, you want to know that that account is not monetizable and you won't make money via the creator reward program. And if I go ahead and click on the creator reward program to bring me to a different interface, and this particular interface will show me a clear, full insight of what my eligibility of start making money from TikTok gonna look like. And right as that's open, you'll see they say you are so close to joining creator program, collect rewards for your 1 minute videos, more reward for quality, monetize with other app, and you can see you must be at least the age of 18 years, have at least 10,000 followers, and at least 100,000 video views to apply for this and start making money as a creator, whatever content you put. And as you can see, this particular TikTok account is a UK account. And if I come to the setting and privacy of this account, go to the account information, you're going to see that this particular account region is United Kingdom, which in this video I'm going to guide you through step by step how to create a US, a UK, a France. And the last bonus tip is if you watch to the end of this video and your account is an eligible account to be monetized, I'm going to also give you a guide on how you can change your account from what region it is to a monetizable region and start making money with that your TikTok account. And with that further ado, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and also comment down below monetized TikTok. So with that said, step one, we're going to be downloading a TikTok app. And if you don't have a TikTok app, all you want to do is to go to App Store or your Play Store. Just go ahead and search on TikTok. If you don't already have the app, search on it. And once you search on it, to bring an interface where you're going to go ahead and download or get a TikTok account. Right, and once you load up, you're going to see my showing updates, but yours, if it's your first time, you can go ahead and download it. So I believe each and every one of you watching this video have a TikTok account. So I'm going to open up the TikTok account. So this is my current TikTok account. So you can go ahead and so follow this account. It's the same account on YouTube. I also drop the same videos I drop right there here. So you all, and also I do trade recap like every week of all the trade I take if you are as well interested in trading. So, and I do a lot of things as long as making money is content. So make sure you're following this particular channel or you're subscribing to the YouTube channel right there. So with that said, all you want to do to as well get a brand new UK, US, France monetizable TikTok account is on your already made account. All you want to do, you're going to see this interface that is showing an arrow. Click on it, and once you click on it, you're going to bring up this interface. Then you go down below to where it says add accounts, and then click on it. And once you click on add accounts, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then create the account. And like I said, if your account is already a Nigerian account or any unsupported country that is not monetizable, all you want to do is to stick around to this video, because I'm going to be also telling you how to change that account from unsupported monetizable country or region to a monetizable one like UK, US, and France, right? So with that said, now before you start monetizing this account, you don't need a VPN. At the moment, my VPN is not turned on. Now, first thing first you want to do is to just come down below where you say, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to terms and services. Click on that Nigerian, because if you look, basically it's clickable. Click on it, and once you click on it, it will bring a different interface for you. And once you bring this interface, all you want to do is to wait for it to load up. Now, once this interface load up right now, let's wait for it. Now, you're going to ask me select country or region. Now, we're going to go ahead and select UK, right? You can select United Kingdom. You're going to see it right now. And now, whatever account you're creating going to be in United Kingdom. How cool is that? Now, if you don't want to use United Kingdom, you can use France, right? And whatever account you're creating will be under France. How cool is that? And let's say we want to create for France, because you see the same process. All you want to do is to change this, and then you follow up with the setting. And if you don't know how to set it up, all you have to do is to click where you say continue with email, and then you enter the mail you want to use. I'm going to enter a random mail. I'm going to click on continue, and I hope this mail is not being used, because I have created a lot of accounts right there. And I'm going to also show you guys how you can turn this into business and then start making money. Boom, they sent me a code. So I'm going to go to this particular Gmail. right? Refresh the interface real quick, and there you go. You say that TikTok has sent me a code, and this code says 737202, 737202, and then there you go. So you must make sure you're at least 18 years and above for you to be able to start making money via the TikTok Creator Program. So I'm going to use this month date of birth. So if you're not up to this age, you can just use your mom's account or your mom's date of birth or your dad's or your elder sibling ones for it, right? Click on continue, and then there you go. You're going to load up, and then they're going to ask you for a passcode. So I'm going to enter this randomly, and you must make sure it's at least 8 characters max, one letter, number, a special character like hashtag, question mark, and at, and a very strong password, right? So once you do that, you click on continue, right? And as you click on continue, in the next seconds, they're going to ask you for a nickname. So you could put something like anything of your choice you want to use as a nickname. I'm just doing this for just doing sake. I'm going to just click on continue. And once I do that, then here you go. This is a monetizable TikTok account. And how do I know that this TikTok account, I can make money from it, or I can also start earning from it? All I have to do is to just come right here at the top right here. You're seeing there's 3 column, click on it. Then the next thing I want to do, I'm going to click on first and first, let's check if it's monetizable. Click on security and privacy, and if the region actually change, click on account, then click on account information, right? And once I do that, boom, France. If your account is showing France, after doing that step I just guide you, that shows that your account region is in France, and then you can monetize the account. Then I have to go back, and then go back to the same interface, go back to balance, which is the main core of this particular video, to make sure that is monetizable. So it's going to load up for a while, and if you're still watching this video to this point, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and make sure you're commenting TikTok monetized. So with that said, this is going to load up real quick. Let's wait for it. Load up this interface, you're going to see the whole stuff. You're going to see estimated balance, USD, live rewards, monetization, tax information, which you're going to be needing, and I'm going to be dropping subsequent video if you guys want this particular video more. And monetization, if I click on it, you're going to bring me to a different interface, and then in this interface, you're going to be the TikTok studio, and on this TikTok studio, I'm going to see a lot of criteria that will eligible me to start making money from this particular TikTok account. Now you can see my analytics, because this account is brand new right now in your front. Everything is showing, still showing 0. You can see things are trending. If I scroll down below, you can see Creator Marketplace, and you can see the Creator Reward Program. You can see the subscription. You can see a lot of things you can earn money off with this particular TikTok account. And if I click on this right now, the Creator Reward Program, you're going to see what it takes, the criteria it takes for you to start earning from this TikTok account. So, and there you go, you can see everything. So I can go ahead and click below right here and notify me when I'm eligible. And whenever I hit the target of 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video views, I will go ahead and then monetize, apply for the program, and start making money of this particular brand new TikTok account. And all you want to do is start creating content, putting out content. And I know you're going to be asked, Bernard, what do I create? What content do I create? Now, if you want content to create, all you want to do is to comment down below content to create, and I'm going to be dive deep on what content to create on this your TikTok account you've created right now, and start making money. And also, if you already have a TikTok account with huge followings, enough engagement, and it's in a unmonetized country, you want to go ahead and comment, change my TikTok to monetized country. And if I see a lot of such comments, I'm going to go ahead and make a detailed video how you can change that your particular page to a different region, and then start making money off it right away. So without further ado, this is how you can legally create a monetized TikTok account, whatever country in Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or whatever country that is unsupported, to make money via TikTok Creator Reward Program. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace.